There's one. One out of two. Okay, watch the Chevy. I bet you he comes back. Did he?
He's still in that lane. He's still in that. Oh, yeah, he is.
Hold it.
He's coming back in.
Nope, and this guy. This guy, we're going to lock him out, though. We don't like this guy. Because f*** that guy. Nope, he's in anyways.
I guess that's possible.
What did they do?
And I mean, yeah, definitely. They came over the top, and I centered that, and it is not moving.
Maybe he knows a way around? I'll ask him.
Maybe.
At least I can
Unless
use that
that's the
area
kid
for
that's
turn
with
around.
him.
Well, probably is.
Yeah, they're not.
I wonder where they were coming from.
Wow. Yeah.
Looks like you're having quite the morning.
Hi
Oh,
there, this is the
there's no one
St.
there.
Peter's truck. Investigating
You know that lane
for
ends?
violation. 2016. He's supposed to be of the
Idiot.
espionage.
There's no fucking point.
Yep.
And thanks.
Oh, that's real cute. That's what they do. Looks
equities
like
in her
carries another
emails.
date.
And there may be other entities
Oh, dear.
who are evaluating her emails. But my interest,
smugglers for further services, the government is not only allowing them to fund the illegal activities of these cartels.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
They were thinking,
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
That's the same deer, I
It
bet.
is. It probably. Hey, I'm sure that deer is well fed here.
I think so. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
They're, I guess, turning here.
Are you fucking high? That's fucking safe. Yeah, that's real fucking safe. Really?
In 1.5 miles,
Kid just threw a
turn
rock in
right
front of us.
on Delphin Avenue.
What are you doing? Oh, go. What is it? What are you doing?
In a quarter.
It's a raccoon.
It's a raccoon there.
That's a raccoon. Little trash pan did. Okay. I would just call this like
The corner.
the corner, right?